Hi guys, so today we've got this stunning 2014 Land Rover, Range Rover. It's the 3-litre TDV6 Vogue with the LUMMA edition. So that's the name of the complete kit you'll see on there. So completely different front bumper there, as you can see, with the gloss black accents, LEDs on the bumper there. Externally, quite a lot of changes. There's your alloys. Stunning car all round. So your side vents black, following on to the rear window here, as you can see, to the rear, and then you got your LUMMA signature decal stuck on there. Rear alloys, black side steps there as well. These are your 22-inch alloys for those wondering the size. Privacy glass to the rear of the vehicle, and then if you come to the rear like this, you can see the black accent continues. Quad exhaust there, more LUMMA body styling. There's a signature again, and onto the driver's side. As you can see, a stunning car all round. In terms of history, it's done 94,000 miles. It's 2 previous owners with full Land Rover service history, and the timing belt has been done alongside the water pump. So inside wise, just to get the side shots again, accent door handles. In terms of the inside spec, as with Vogue's, quite a lot of spec on here. If we just swing round so you can kind of see the condition for a car that's done 94,000 miles, I would say it's in pristine condition. Full size panel roof there, and in terms of the interior, we do have the full ivory leather with climate front and rear seats, so heated and cooled front and rear seats. Like I said, the panoramic black roof. You've got 4-way climate control, you've got sat nav, Bluetooth, TV reception, mood lighting, black pack, you've got the camera with parallel park function. As you can see, I've left it on there for you to see. Let's have a quick glance at the dash and the center console here, as you can see. Let's have a quick look at the passenger seat, sorry. Again, like I said, in really good condition. Meridian sound system upgrades. Let's have a quick look at the rear. So back of the rear seat, front seats here. I see a rear center console with the heat settings there and the climate, and then swinging over to the rear passenger side, and then driver's side rear. In superb condition. Cars like this won't hang around for long, so let us guys know. Any questions, feel free to call us.